Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Melli and in today's video I'm going to show you a gluten-free and vegan version of my pizza, which is done of millet sourdough and some fresh yeast. This recipe requires a long raising time, but this is no problem. You just prepare it the day before, let it raise overnight and use it on the next day. In this recipe I'm using as a topping my cream cheese based on cashews. I'll give you the link below this video. If you like my recipes, I'll be very happy if you want to support me, if you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share and like. This recipe is like all my recipes, gluten-free and vegan, without soy, without corn and without refined sugar. First, we activate our millet sourdough starter. I give you the link for this recipe up here and below. We use flour and water, stir it and set it aside for approximately 6 hours. It will grow in volume and develop some bubbles. Then it's ready to use. We mix the wet ingredients with our sourdough starter, stir it, and then we are going to prepare our flour blend. Herefore, we use tapioca and potato starch, millet flour, a mix of buckwheat and brown rice flour, psyllium husk, linseed, and salt. Now you'll see me doing a mistake. I'm adding already the wet ingredients to my flour blend. This ends up in having to undo a lot of lumps in my bowl. Better use a sieve for your dry ingredients before mixing everything together. It's a very liquid dough at this moment, but this is very normal. After 1 hour at room temperature, it will soak up all the water. Then we leave it for at least 12 hours in the fridge and cover it. After 12 hours, the dough has grown bigger in volume and is nice and soft. Now it's the moment to dissolve our fresh yeast in some water with some honey. We add this to our dough and knead it well. Remember, if you like my recipe, subscribe, like and share. I'll be very happy. We also add some olive oil and knead it until we have a dough that looks like this. You will see it. We cover it again and let it rise either in the fridge or at room temperature. If it's warm, it rises faster. In the meantime, we are going to prepare our toppings like tomato sauce with salt and some maple syrup. The onions are fried. I'll show you the way I'm doing it in my other pizza recipes, the same with these zucchinis. This is my cream cheese. I'll put you the link below the video and up here. After some hours, our dough looks like this. It has grown in volume and you will see a lot of air bubbles inside. I'm using for shaping some white rice flour. We bake our pizza in the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, approximately half an hour. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. You are welcome to leave me a comment below, and if you are interested in other recipes, I invite you to click here. See you! Bye bye!